how to fix the Amazon Flex app not working. Here's what you want to do first. You want to go into your iPhone settings, and here you just go and click on the search bar and search for iPhone storage. So click on iPhone storage. From here, you want to find the Amazon Flex app. I'm just going to do this one as an example, and you want to offload the application and then reinstall it. Click on reinstall app, and this is going to reinstall the Amazon Flex app. Now, once you have done this, see if that fixes the issue. If it still doesn't work, then what I suggest doing is opening up your browser and searching for Amazon Flex is it down. Here you will receive accurate information whether the app is indeed down or if it's something on your end. So if it's down, it's going to tell you here on the down detector. And if it's on your end, the last thing that I can suggest doing is switching over from Wi-Fi to your internet connection and vice versa. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.